It's 5 a.m., the world outside is still, wrapped in the quiet of pre-dawn, but in the digital space, something is already in motion. A notification gently illuminates your screen. It's not an alarm, not a news alert, it's the sound of a sale. Money, earned while you were sound asleep. Imagine that. Waking up not to the jarring demand of an alarm clock, but to the quiet satisfaction of knowing your income isn't tied to the hours you're awake. This isn't a scene from a movie or a far-fetched dream, peddled by online gurus. Yup, it's real. It's the tangible result of building what I call a proof-first system. This isn't about getting rich overnight, let's be perfectly clear about that. This is about getting smart. It's about strategically uncoupling your time from your earnings. It's about building an asset, a digital machine that works for you, 24/7, whether you're at your desk, on vacation, or yes, even while you're sleeping. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through the exact blueprint for how this is done. We'll cut through the noise and the hype, and focus on a methodical, realistic approach. We're going to talk about the systems, the funnels, the automation, and the mindset required to turn this idea into your reality. The foundation of this entire strategy rests on three core, proof-first systems. The term proof-first means we choose models where the path to revenue is already validated. We're not inventing a new market, we're tapping into existing proven demand with a systematic approach. First, we have automated e-commerce stores. Think beyond just dropshipping. This could be a print-on-demand store selling unique designs on t-shirts and mugs, or a curated dropshipping store that partners with reliable suppliers. The key is automation. Your website handles the sale and a third-party service handles the inventory, packing, and shipping. Your job is to be the architect and the marketer, not the warehouse manager. You build the storefront, you drive the traffic, and the system handles the rest. Second, licensed digital products. This is one of the most powerful models for pure passive income because the marginal cost of selling one more unit is zero. This doesn't mean you have to be a genius creator yourself. You can acquire private label rights or master resell rights to high-quality existing products like ebooks, software, or online courses. You give it your own branding, set up a sales page, and every single sale is almost pure profit, delivered instantly and automatically to the customer via email. And third, for long-term hands-off wealth generation, we have dividend and index fund ladders. This is the slowest but most reliable path. It's the principle of making your money work for you in the stock market. By investing consistently in broad market index funds and dividend-paying stocks, you build a portfolio that not only grows in value, but also pays you regular income. A ladder strategy involves staggering your investments to manage risk and create a predictable cash flow stream over time. It's the bedrock of true financial independence. Now, having a great product or system is only half the battle. You need a machine to attract customers and guide them to a purchase. This machine is your sales funnel. The goal is to build one reliable funnel, master it, and then let it run. A funnel, in its simplest form, has three parts. First, a landing page. This is a single focused web page with one goal, to capture a visitor's interest and their email address in exchange for something of value. That something of value is called a lead magnet. It could be a free checklist, a short ebook, a video tutorial, or a discount code. It must be genuinely helpful and directly related to the product you ultimately want to sell. This simple exchange is the start of a relationship. You've provided value up front, earning you the permission to communicate with them further. Finally, the nurturing sequence. This is a series of automated emails that are sent to the new subscriber. This is where you build trust. You provide more value, share testimonials, handle objections, and gently introduce your paid offer. This automated sequence works for you day and night, turning curious visitors into loyal customers. With your funnel in place, the next layer is to automate fulfillment and customer service. This is what truly frees up your time. For physical products, this means integrating your store with a fulfillment service. For digital products, it's ensuring your delivery system is flawless. But what about customer questions? Initially, you'll handle these yourself to understand your customers. But soon, you'll automate. You'll create a comprehensive FAQ page. You'll set up a chatbot with pre-programmed answers to common questions. For the issues that still require a human touch, you can hire a virtual assistant for a few hours a week. The goal is a system that can solve 95% of customer issues without your direct involvement. Once your funnel is converting and your backend is automated, it's time to pour fuel on the fire. It's time to scale. You have two primary levers for this: paid advertising or creator collaborations. Paid ads on platforms like Meta or Google allow you to put your offer in front of a highly targeted audience with predictable precision. You start with a small budget, test your ads, and once you find a winning combination, you can scale your spending, knowing that for every dollar you put in, you're getting more back out. Alternatively, you can collaborate with creators and influencers in your niche. They have already built trust with an audience that's likely interested in your offer. A single paid shoutout or a long-term partnership can drive a massive wave of targeted traffic to your funnel. Now, let's pause for a crucial reality check. Expect setup work. This is not a lottery ticket. Building these systems requires focused effort up front. The first 30 to 90 days are about building, testing, and refining. You will encounter problems. An ad won't work. A link will break. A supplier will be delayed. This is part of the process. The goal is not to avoid problems, but to build a system that is resilient enough to handle them. Don't expect instant riches. The income starts as a trickle, not a flood. But once the system is dialed in, that trickle becomes a steady, predictable stream. The work you do in those first few months pays you back for years to come. That is the trade-off. Intense, focused work now for freedom and flexibility later. I know this can feel overwhelming, so let's make it actionable. To get you started, I've created a 7-day roadmap. This is a step-by-step guide that breaks down the process of launching your first proof-first system. Day 1 is about choosing your niche. Day 2 is about selecting your product. Day 3, building your simple landing page. We'll go through the entire process, one manageable step at a time. This is your opportunity to build a different kind of future, one where your income isn't a direct reflection of hours worked, but a reflection of the quality of the systems you've built. It all starts with the first step. Follow this channel, and I'll provide you with the quick templates, tools, and the full 7-day roadmap to get you earning while you sleep. Let's begin.